You guys remember this spot? This is the restaurant that I went last year. Yeah, they back. Now right now this is 4K at 30 frames per second. As you guys can see. Looks very, very nice. This is the wide lens. And I'm gonna switch into the ultra. Bah! Yo, this wide angle lens. Oh my god. Yo, look how wide this is, bro. Yo.
Oh, bro. Bro. Hi.
Is there any more fun?
Of course. Is that what you want? I'll make you one right now, even if we didn't have any. I got you.
Yo. Money. Nice doing business.
Don't have a chair, give it.
So many videos to make. It's unbelievable. I love this time, but it's a lot of work. Alright, so this is how I look in direct sunlight. This is amazing quality. I like how the sky is not too overexposed. It's catching me perfect right now. Now this is horrible lighting. This is terrible. Don't do that. Let's see what's going on here. Wait, where's the car? Oh, that's how many speakers?
El cambumbo a las balas sin rumbo, para los que se pican cada vez que zumbo. El que sirve, sirve, el que vale, vale, y el que no, no vale. Tú sabes, tengo calma. La no es tuyo, tanta más que yo. Entre los míos, es que por ahí hay muchos loquillos que se enfurecen cuando yo brillo. Dicen que tienen mayor pocillo, los acribillos, ando siempre solo sin corillos.
Let me turn on that ultra wide angle. Bah! You guys see that? Everything is in the shot. I'm gonna be taking some skateboard shots and film and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I absolutely love it. Oh, it's good.
Always good seeing you,
I know, right? Positive vibes. I like it, man. Yo, man, you know I have to show up, man.
You want to see the race for Austin?
Yeah, go. Oh.
Alright, it's real simple, guys, right? We got most of the scenes done today. What this scene is going to be, it's real simple. William and Dolo are the artists. We're gonna shoot 3 takes of this, right? It's real simple. What I ask for y'all is, y'all the pluses in this. So I don't need zombies in the video. If you feel like you're not going to incorporate yourself, like at least with a bop or something, I don't need you in the video. That's me the nice way saying it. I need you to help me out with getting whoever it is. Whoever's in the video, I need y'all help to get them. I'm not about to be like,
Oh, mama, make it home one day at a time. Told mom I'ma make it home one day at a time, one day at a time. I'm on the side, I had a little black pride, put the fake behind. That's on my mind, money, drugs on the line.
Solo is what I'm mixing.
Oh, you want me to want my solo? Yeah.
Everybody else is fine. We just gotta turn it up.
Now we gonna be good forever.
We gon' be good forever. We gon' be good forever. We gon' be good forever.
Just get it in the line, coming back.
All the girls standing in the
All the girls getting in the line, coming back. Alright guys, so filming on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Shout out to my cousin, he have his cat here. I was just saying on the other iPhone, on the iPhone 11, he probably does a good job keeping all the mouse out. I want to see you kill a mouse in action. Show you. You just want to sleep right there, huh, Tom? Going to another club supporting my cousin. DJ Allen. Yeah.
Let me see your stories though. Like I seen you was like in Philly one time, you was in Cali one time.
I was in Cali. I'm all over the place, literally. I'm all over the place. This is how it's done in Rochester. Turn me on. All right, yo, good DJing out there, bro.
DJ Lucifer, Alan Johnson in the mix right now.
Yeah.
We coming, man.
Yeah.
Straight big D season.
Take up all your clothes. Take my clothes on. People try to see what it is.
Oh yeah, no, that's a fact. That's a fact.
That's all she wrote, guys.
Yeah, y'all gotta get the fuck out of here now.